video is Decorating with Sunflowers. It is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Lifestyle and Design with Teresa, Z9's Design, Deborah Cabaska Home Living, At Home with Lisa, May's Designs Corner, Decorating with Zaja Green, Design with Emma, myself, and Debbie Bubbles. So come along, let's see what I've decorated for today. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I started this out. I decided to use, as you can see, the pink sunflowers. And I decided I was just gonna do a little tea party for my granddaughters. So this is what I'm starting with, is this centerpiece here. And I'm doing this in my office. And as you can see, they are pink sunflowers. So I decided to have a little tea party for her. So this is where I'm starting. Okay, so now I went in and added a tray. And on the tray, I have placed the teapot, and a couch with a couple of cupcakes and the bowl. So this is what I have at this point. And this is for my granddaughter, so it's gonna be girly girl, cause that's what she is. Okay, so that's what we have. So let's go ahead and get it finished up. Okay guys, so now I have it all finished up, and I'm gonna show you what I've come up with. Okay, so let me tell you what I've done here. I've taken the pink throw and thrown it over the coffee table. I purchased that from Ross's, I think. The centerpiece here with the pink sunflower. It's a gift from a friend. She didn't get me the yellow because she knew I would want something different, so she went with the pink, which I love it. Okay, on the side, I have the 2 candlesticks, which were from Goodwill. And now I'll tell you about the beautiful tray over here. The tray was from Burlington's. And the little tea set I have here was from the Goodwill. The little couch was from Home Goods. The beads that I've laid on the back were from Walmart. Now I'll tell you a little bit about the little teacups. The little teacups were from Goodwill, and on the side they have like the little grapes, but the front they have the pink flowers. So this little tea set was from the Goodwill. The napkin holders were from Home Goods. So you all, there it is. My little tea party for my granddaughters. I hope they will enjoy it. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and More and her guest homes, Sandy Lynn Home and Garden, for inviting me to be a part of this collaboration. I will be leaving their name and all of the co-hosts who are hosting today. I want to thank the design family because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.